Okay, so in most cases, if you're developing machine learning models, your inputs are going to be files, like a CSV with a couple dozen variables, or images if you're working with computer vision. So the next thing we might want to set up is file storage. With UbiOps, we can link our cloud storage solution to our account and access our files that way, or we can just store our files in UbiOps. Either method will ensure our deployments have a location from which they can grab input files or place output files. All we need to do is navigate to the Storage tab in our account and click on Create New Bucket. When you create a new bucket, you can either choose to create a UbiOps bucket, which is stored with UbiOps on Google Cloud, or you can connect to an existing cloud bucket of your own. In the latter case, we just use the provider dropdown to select what kind of cloud storage we want to connect to and fill in the appropriate credentials below. Then we just pick a name, description, and labels for our bucket and click Create. Simple as that. For more guides and tutorials, head over to ubiops.com/docs. You might also want to check out our socials, where we post about use cases and software integrations.